Okay. So is anybody else experiencing, I'm talking to my entrepreneurs right now, the aftermath of St. Patrick's Day and stimulus checks? Okay. So, you know, today I'm experiencing the aftermath, which means high call outs. You know, people feel like they're rich, they ain't gotta come to work. Either that, or you just spent your time getting drunk last night and you don't want to come to work. You know what I'm saying? You too fucked up, you can't come to work. Now don't get it twisted. I drunk something last night too. I like to have my champagne, my wine and stuff, you know. But I'm still responsible enough to get up in the morning and do what I have to do because I got a business to run. You understand what I'm saying? But today, man, hot call out. Golly. So right now, it's cool. I'm hey, you know me, I go with the flow. So I'm on the way down here to one of my Airbnbs, and whenever I gotta come on the scene and, you know, do some filling in, I turn it into a video, okay? And then I use my video to market on all of my social media pages. I gotta turn it into an event, honey. I gotta turn it into a show, so I can show you exactly what I'm going through, okay, in my world. But to all my people out there that feel like you're rich and you just want to, you know, be calling out and you want to sit and chill and drink, smoke, and do whatever you want to do, that money ain't gonna last, you know. I highly suggest what people need to do with their money is invest that money. Put that money into something that is going to make more money. That's just, a lot of people say they're gonna pay bills with it. I don't even advise you to pay no bills with it. I say, however the bills was gonna get paid, that's how you need to pay them. You need to pay your bills however you was gonna pay it. If the money didn't come, still pay your bills that way. And I mean, now you have your business investment money. Now you have your money that you can take and do what you, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Because all these years you've been procrastinating on the LLC and the insurance and the supplies and everything you need. Well, here's your chance. Boom. There you go. You know? But what the average old Joe would do is, I'm going to take this money and I'm going to pay some bills with it. I'm going to pay my bills. But see, what's going to happen is, if you take your money and you pay your bills with it, pay your bills up, your bill is going to still slap you in the face again next month. Like, it's going to come right back. You know? And you're going to have the same problem. That's why it's important to have a plan together, man. You know what I'm saying? But don't just take your money and screw it up, baby. Don't just screw it up. It's so many different little things that you can do. That's why my advice is, when you are dead ass broke and you don't have no money, I highly, highly, highly suggest that when you're working on these jobs, to be consuming information. You need to be consuming information so that you can know what to do with that money when it comes. Because a lot of people, when they get the money, they don't even know what the hell to do with it. They got it, they don't know what to do with it. So they end up going to the mall. Oh, my baby needs some new shoes. He ain't had no shoes in a long time, so I'm going to go. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm going to go out to eat. I went out to eat yesterday. Well, I actually go out to eat every week. Blue. If you invest that money, guess what? And you start building your own business, and you got clients now coming in, guess what? You won't even be looking for those stimulus checks. You won't even be out here, get that check. You wouldn't even feel it, because you got money already coming to you freely and abundantly. Now, you got some people out here that would that's gonna make it. You know, the people that grind whenever they don't have it are the people that's gonna make it. If you ain't got shit and you in grind mode every day trying to get it, you working every day hard, you stacking your money up, those are the people that are winning this game. Those are the people. Because when they get the money, they already know. They was already in grind mode. So, you know, they're going to do what they need to do with their money. You know? Anyway, I got high call outs today, baby. Them jokers is not coming to work today, baby. Oh my goodness. But it's cool. I understand. I get it all the way. Guess what? I'm gonna work. I work every day. I don't be crying about no break. I work every day. I don't have no days off. But I ain't mad either. I'm cool. I'm good. Because the way I see it is, if I gotta fill in for you, that's just more money for me. I mean, I didn't have to pay you. All that money goes to the company. So it's a win-win. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta take my time out and do this, but it's still a win-win. I'm all out of backups. Like, we are booked today. Booked to the T. And people still keep trying to book call. Crazy. I could use some more help. You know? I'm just ranting right now though, but I just wanted to know if any other entrepreneurs is going through what I'm going through. Anybody going through what I'm going through? Y'all got high call outs today? I'm the only one. Leave some comments down below. I want to know. Anybody else got high call outs due to this aftermath? Let me know. Leave some comments down below. Just take your time, girl. You just take your time. Okay? I already cut the sheets for you and everything. You just take your time with this unit here, okay? It's gonna take you time. They done had a good time last night, drinking all this nasty ass beer. Look at it. Yeah. Look at it. Girl. Look at this here. Girl. And I look like they done left a little radio or something. A whole boom box up in this bed. Yeah, hey, put some gloves on. Put some gloves on. They probably was having sex and everything up in here. This is nasty. Okay. I can't, because I don't have time to do it, honey. I'm a CEO and I gotta go do CEO shit. I don't have time for this. Girl, look, draws and stuff. Just had a good time, baby. Just look, I stripped the beds. Oh, well, I was working on stripping the beds. But let me go downstairs because I gotta meet Roland. Okay? Y'all have a good time now. Y'all have a good time. See, your unit is better than this. Don't cry about that unit because this shit is fucked up. Okay, y'all. So, what happened was, me and my daughter, we had to switch units because, let me say I'm not the hiring stage, but we had to switch units, girl, because that unit I was going to be doing was, these messed up. It was jacked. You hear me? So, I'm doing the little carriage house. I told my daughters, let me get that little unit and you come do the big unit because I don't have time to spend 4 hours in the unit. This little unit right here, I can knock this out 2.5 hours. 4 hours is much too much for me because I got a whole lot of office work to do. So, I'm going to let her go ahead and take care of the big unit. And I'm gonna take care of this little Tinkerbell unit here. It only got 2 beds in it. This bed right here, and it got a little small bed downstairs. I'm washing all the linen now in here. See, washing all the linen. And then I do the bathroom. The bathroom's not that bad. You see, it's a little carriage house. So these carriage houses, see, you got 2 bathrooms and then it has a bathroom downstairs. These little carriage houses, they don't get that bad. They didn't trash it, so take me about 2.5 hours, depending on the linen. The longest process with these units is usually the linen, like I said. But anyway, just bringing y'all on my day, you know, the aftermath. This is the aftermath of St. Patrick's Day. So I took the good unit, and she got the bad unit, but hey, it is what it is. You're the contractor, so you gotta take care of it, baby. So I'm back in the office. As you can see, all of my ladies, they got finished. Everybody's finished now. Everybody's off the clock, right? So I'm back in the office, and now I got to do my office work. Okay. So I like doing these videos to kind of bring you in on my world so you can see how many hats I got to wear. We experienced a lot of call outs today. St. Patrick's Day, people getting their stimulus checks, you know. So I made these videos so that you new entrepreneurs can see, you know, what we're gonna have to go through. It's completely normal. You know, I'm like numb to it at this point. You know what I'm saying? Yep, I'm numb to it. So you're gonna go through these moments. People are gonna call out. You know, it's normal. But can you stomach it? Can you get out there and do those units? I took the baby unit, and then my daughter did the big unit. So I was in and out of that unit. Then I was able to come all the way back to my office. Now I can focus on office stuff, because sometimes it's a little difficult because people be calling me while I'm trying to turn a unit. You know, I didn't have any other people that I can call on to do it, so I had to do it. And in the mix of that, I'm answering the phone, and you know, people trying to book cleanings and stuff like that. So juggling, I wear a lot of hats, so I'm juggling all this stuff. So anyway, now it's about 5:05, back in the office, and I'm going to start working on my schedule for tomorrow. I got to make sure everything is everything. Working on my schedule, working on my invoices, you know, everything that I was supposed to do at 9 o'clock. That all the way from 9 to 5, I usually work on my cleaning company, and then from 5 to about 8 or 9, I usually work on Tenacity Academy stuff. So I didn't get a lot of stuff done. I got to get it done right now. You know what I mean? But the moral to the story is, you know, it's going to get done regardless. It ain't no, oh, I'm tired, I'm going to take a break. I'm just one of them determined people that, yeah, I'm going to get it done. It's going to get done. So whether you call out or not, guess what? It's still going to get done. It's ain't no thing but a turkey wing with me. You know what I'm saying? Okay. That's my day. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe down below. Show your girl some love, okay? And if you got any questions, feel free to schedule a consultation call with me. All right? I'm out. That's my day. Bye-bye.